Jacket potatoes with chili beans and avocado. Prepare the ingredients. Preheat an oven to 220 degrees Celsius. Wash 4 potatoes and prick them all over with a fork. Place the potatoes in an oven for 30 minutes or until cooked. For the chili beans, finely dice 1 onion, mince 2 garlic cloves, finely dice 1 celery stick, finely chop 1 small red chilli, roughly chop 1 handful of fresh coriander, dice 8 tomatoes, heat a pan on a high heat, add the onion and celery and stir until soft. Add the chilli and garlic, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, stir until the spices are fragrant. Add the tomatoes and stir until they are softened and broken into a sauce. Add the juice of lemon, season with salt and pepper, and stir through. Place the kidney beans into the pot and stir. To serve, place the potatoes onto a platter and cut into quarters. Place 3 tablespoons of chili beans into each of the potatoes. Mash the avocados and top the potatoes with the avocado. Sprinkle with fresh coriander and serve.